Hornets, insects belonging to the genus Vespa, are the largest of the eusocial wasps, and are similar in appearance to their close relatives yellow jackets. Some species can grow to be as long as 5.5 centimeters or 2.2 inches. The comparatively broad upper edge of the head and the rounded section of the abdomen slightly beyond the waist separate them from other vespine wasps. Vespa has 22 different species over the world. The European hornet is extensively dispersed over Europe, Russia, North America, and Northeast Asia, while most species only reside in Asia's tropics. Wasps in the genus Dolichopspula that are native to North America are commonly mistaken for hornets, although they are actually yellow jackets. Hornets, like other social wasps, form communal nests by chewing wood into a papery pulp. Each nest contains a queen who produces eggs and is accompanied by workers who, despite being genetically female, are unable to produce fertile eggs. Most species build open nests in trees and shrubs, although some such as Vespa orientalis dig underground, or use other cavities to create their nests. These nests may persist all year in the tropics, but in temperate places, they die over the winter, with lone queens hibernating in leaf litter or other insulative material until spring. Male hornets have no stingers and are docile. Hornets are commonly regarded as pests because they aggressively defend their nesting sites when threatened, and their stings are more severe than bee stings. While hornets and other wasps in the family Vespidae, particularly yellow jackets, are taxonomically distinct, there may still be some confusion about the differences between them. Provespa, a related genus of Asian nocturnal vespines, is also known as night wasps or night hornets, despite the fact that they are not actual hornets. Other large wasps, such as the bald-faced hornet, Dolichopspula maculata, found in North America, are occasionally referred to be hornets. Its black and ivory hue distinguishes it. This species is given the moniker hornet because it prefers to build aerial nests, similar to certain actual hornets rather than subterranean nests. The Australian hornet, Abispia phippium, which is actually a species of potter wasp, is another example. The common European hornet was accidentally transported to eastern North America during the middle of the 19th century and has since lived there at similar latitudes to Europe. It has, however, never been discovered in western North America. In Vespa cribro, the queen, a fertilized female, establishes the nest in the spring. She prefers secluded locations, such as dark, hollow tree trunks. She starts by making a series of 50 cells out of chewed tree bark. Each cell is vertical and closed at the top, and they are organized in horizontal layers called combs. After that, an egg is placed in each cell. The egg hatches after 5 to 8 days. The larva goes through 5 stages of development during the next 2 weeks. During this phase, the queen provides it with a protein-rich bug meal. The larva then spins a silk cap over the cell's opening and transforms into an adult during the next 2 weeks, a process known as metamorphosis. Hornets use their stingers to kill animals and defend their nests. Hornet stings are more painful for humans than wasp stings, because hornet venom has a high concentration of acetylcholine with 5% in it. Individual hornets can sting multiple times. Unlike honeybees, hornets do not die after stinging because their stingers are finely barbed and quickly retracted, thus they are not sucked out of their bodies after disengaging. The toxicity of hornet stings varies by species. Some deliver only a typical insect sting, while others are among the most venomous known insects. Single hornet stings are not fatal in themselves, except in the case of allergic victims. Multiple hornet stings other than Vespacribro may be fatal due to highly toxic species-specific components of their venom. Adult hornets and their cousins such as yellow jackets need nectar and sugar-rich plant items to survive. As a result, they frequently feed on the sap of oak trees, rotting sweet fruits, honey, and other sugary foods. Hornets frequently fly into orchards to dine on overripe fruit, gnawing a hole in the fruit to completely immerse themselves in its pulp. If a person chooses fruit when a feeding hornet is nearby, the disturbed insect may strike. Adults attack a variety of insects, killing them with stings and jaws. Hornets can easily kill huge insects like honeybees, grasshoppers, locusts, and katydids due to their size and the potency of their venom. Instead of being digested by the adult hornets, the victim is thoroughly masticated and then fed to the larvae developing in the nest. Given that some of its victims are considered pests, hornets may be considered beneficial in specific instances.